In this video, you'll learn how to create a jobs portal website using WordPress. By following these instructions, you will be able to set up your own job listing site easily and efficiently. To begin, navigate to the WordPress.com website. Locate the Sites section, which can be found in the main menu. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can manage your existing sites or create a new one. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This option will allow you to utilize artificial intelligence to assist in building your website. Selecting this button will initiate the site creation process. After that, you will see a prompt titled Laying the Foundations. Click on this to proceed. This step is crucial as it sets up the basic structure of your new site. Once this appears, you need to wait for the AI to load. The loading process may take a moment, depending on your internet speed. If you have a slower connection, be patient as the system prepares your site. Next, a message will display stating, make a website as unique as you. This indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in creating a tailored site. At this point, type in Create a Jobs Portal website in the provided text field. This step is important because it specifies the type of website you want to build. Then, click on the Enter button to confirm your input. This action will signal the AI to proceed with the next phase of the setup. Following this, a message will confirm that WordPress.com can indeed create a jobs portal website for you. This reassurance indicates that you are on the right track. Now, type in the choice given above, which is typically related to job listings or your specific niche. This detail helps the AI to tailor your site further. Click Enter again to submit your choice. This action will help the system refine the site's focus based on your input. Next, you will see a message asking, great, this works well on WordPress.com. What should your website be called? Here, you will provide the site title that will appear in the browser tab. Type in the name of your site in the designated field. This name is essential as it represents your brand and the purpose of your jobs portal. Once you have entered the name, click Enter to proceed. This confirmation will register your site title in the system. Following this, you will encounter a prompt asking what short tagline description should show in search results and social previews. This is your chance to define what your site offers. Type in a tagline that succinctly describes your jobs portal. This description is important for search engine optimization and attracting visitors. Click Enter once you have finalized your tagline. This action will save your input and move you to the next step. Next, select the button labeled Create My Site. This action finalizes your choices and begins the site creation process. A message will appear stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is currently working on building your site. At this stage, you will need to wait for the AI to generate your site. The duration of this process can vary based on server load and your internet connection. This might take a while, so be patient as the system compiles all the necessary components for your jobs portal. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.